and welcome to today's NCCR workshop news. Today we are not going to talk about this, but instead we are going to talk about Eastern a little bit.
So no news, just some greetings from us, from NCCR, from the Krüper family.
From all of us this time.
Yeah, because this is Birgit, my wonderful wife, and
My mom.
Yeah.
So in times like now with the virus raging and everything, we thought it would be nice to have something like a personal greeting to all of you, because times are tough and we don't know how it will be in the future. So
Yeah, we are all in good mood. We are working with all hands on deck, so not the time to worry about us, but we all worry a little about you all out there. And so Julia decided to give you some fun, and let's look into that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have fun.
So I thought about all the music that has brought me joy throughout the years, and one artist in particular came to my mind, and that is Frank Turner. He has been making some amazing music throughout the years, everything from punk rock to singer-songwriter stuff, and this particular song is from an album that's called Be More Kind, and I think we can all use a little bit of that, and the particular song is called Don't Worry. And we can definitely use more of that too. So have a listen then. I hope you'll enjoy it. Don't worry if you don't know what to do. I've spent a little time in worried shoes. I wore them out through walking. It wasn't any use. Don't worry if you don't know what to do. Don't give up if you just can't get your way. Don't listen to the bitter things they say. Put those thoughts behind you. Tomorrow's a new day. Don't worry if you just can't get your way. Life hurts, love will burn.
So take care, everybody, and happy holiday.
Happy Easter holiday.